Eric's got a big one on. 5 minutes we've been here. It's a smallmouth. Yeah, it's a big smallie. Definitely changing to live worms like he is. That's a big smallmouth there. Good job. Wow. It's a nice one. That's what it's all about. And I definitely have to change to that.
Oh, it was super hard.
Yeah. Thanks.
There was somebody just swimming in there. I didn't think there was a fish in there at all.
Oh yeah?
What is that?
Nice smallmouth.
Little guys are experts.
Okay, I'm gonna release him.
You want it?
I mean, we're using live bait anyway. The worms, so. Nice one, Eric. I got one. The smallmouth. Oh shit, he just came off. No, he just came off, but it was a smallmouth.
What was it?
A smallmouth. It was a little smaller this time. Maybe it was when I tightened my drag, it was a little loose. This is nice, such a nice pot, and we got lucky that we're private here. There's no idiots around making noise. At least these people are fine, but you know, other fishermen are annoying. Yeah, you just started to take my line away. That's how you know. I might have to put a new piece. Oh, what the fuck is what was that? That might have just been the bottom. I don't have a really big piece of bait on it. I just have. It's a little piece. It's like a bluegill size bait, but it kind of works for that guy. So got a little tiny small. Look at that little guy. Good thing I switched my bait. Oh look, it just came right up. Yeah. There we go, a tiny little fish. Alright. I got a smallmouth! Yay! A little one though. That's pretty much all you can catch in here. I'm gonna let him flap. Or not.
There's no way there's fish in there.
Just grab him like a... Yay! Oh! Good. Smallmouth number 2! And that was the second cast in a row. This guy's a little bigger. Oh, I hate this. They flap so much. You know what? I'm just gonna grab him like the last one. Like a bluegill. Oh shoot. Spiked me. There. Come on, hooks, cooperate. Yes. Again. There he goes. That was fun. Okay. What? Oh, right here. Yay! Yeah. Oh. These ones are a lot harder to hold like a bluegill. It's the only way I can right now. This guy's flapping like crazy. I need the pliers for this one. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, I got him. Finally. Go swim. Yay! Yeah, I'm gonna make another cast. It's a pretty bad cast, but it doesn't matter. First cast without a fish. What is that? See if they're in the current like that.
What do you think? You want to stay here a little longer? Can I bring all the chairs?
Oh, you got one? Eric has one and I'm tangled in his line.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, on a worm? A baby one. That's cute. Nice one, Eric. Just kick him in, Eric.
What kind of fish is that?
All the other ones fell in. Look at this crawfish Eric caught. Ugh. Look at that. Look at it, he has blue claws. Yeah. Are you using that for bait or no? Look at you picked up a stick. That's the biggest crawfish yet.
So gotta hold him by the stick.
Holding on for dear life. Oh. Ow.
You can use him for bait. I'm not gonna use him for bait.
You throw him back. I don't want him. So that's cool. Now we move spots to this place. Guess what's gonna happen when I move the camera over? Ready for it? Look where we're here. We came here about 2 years ago. Caught a lot of smallmouth. This waterfall is so cool. We came here when the water was really low and we were able to go swimming on this thing. Now it's too dangerous, but we're fishing up there and up here. So I'm really excited. I got a bass, little bass. Eric! You can't hear me with that waterfall. There we go. Oh! Every time I drop it. Go! Go! There we go. That was cool. Isn't that a cool waterfall? I got another one. Let's see what it is. What else? A little smallmouth. Barely hooked as usual. Maybe he can flap off for me. Great, he just hooked himself worse. We're gonna be here for a while, unfortunately. Alright, there we go. I wanna have some fun. You have one? Eric has one. Doubles! Man, yours is a little bigger. See, I told you switching would work. Yay, double smallmouth. I knew this spot was better than the last one. Oh, shoot. Yay. Alright, you unhook yours, I'll be back. What? Bass. I want to release them in the current. What? Smallmouth. Alright, here we go. See him swim in the current. I still see him. There he goes. Oh, that was cool. Do you have it off the hook yet? Okay. Here we go. There's Eric's fishing. Put him in this pool. Nice one. He's got another. Oh, another little smallmouth. Nice one, Eric. This is so fun.
Can you unhook it?
No. I don't want to unhook another fish. They're so annoying. You know what? I'll be back. Alright. You got it out. So let's go. Release him. There he goes. Another fish. That's the next cast. See, I'm gonna try to get a double with him. Because he got 2 in a row casting down here. Be there in a second, Eric. Alright, no. There we go, little one. Again. Oh, little rascal. His bait's catching them all. And it's not doing so well. He's got another one. Let him flap in there. There's another little. Finally, a new species of fish. Eric just caught a kind of pretty beat up rock bass. That's nice. You got a rock bass now. Let me take it.
Looks like somebody trying to take a bite out of him.
Okay, come on. Yeah, I just caught a rock bass on this worm. Look at that. Nice one. I just caught another rock bass.
Hold the line, I said hold the line.
Oh, jeez. That's a nice one. Beauty. Nice one. Oh. I can see those rock bass coming out of the rocks to eat them. Eat the worm. There's a whole bunch of bluegill here too. That worm is kind of getting smaller every catch. Oh, you got it out? Okay. Camera shy again, fish. There's a bunch of bluegill on the end. I got a big rock bass. I think the biggest one of the day. He fought hard. It's a nice one. Look at him. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm back. There, because you have to catch one.
Of course, bluegill bit the tail off of it.
That's a good cast. Eric has a big one. Oh my god. Let's see what it is. That's a big smallmouth. Wow! Ma! Just by putting a bobber on, right? Casting it out there.
Yeah. It went under immediately.
Maybe that's just luck. What? A big smallmouth. The biggest one of the day. Or maybe second biggest. Maybe the first one we in the video is the biggest, but biggest one of this spot. Very nice, Eric. Good job. That's a nice one. Wow, another new species. Eric just caught a trout. Ma! Trout! It's a trout. Did you hear what I said? Hey, he spit the worm on me. Trout. But small. Look at that. That's a little brown trout?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm snagged. Oh, behind you. Behind me here. Oh, he's bloody. Alright, we'll come back quick. Wow, trout. Yay! Alright, he's going. Nice one, right? Eric's got something big. Holy shit, that's a big one. Or is it just a scam? Oh!
It's the biggest rock bass I've ever seen.
Oh, it's like a tanker rock bass. What's happening at my bottom here? Anything? Wow, that was enormous. I hope you guys saw that. We're gonna wrap up this video for today. Hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. We caught a lot of fish. Tons of species with smallmouth, rock bass, trout, bluegill. Almost caught a humongous rock bass. But we had a really fun day. Had fun fishing right next to this waterfall. Hope you enjoyed watching our video too. I might make an extension to this. We might come back tomorrow, but we don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Alright, this is my first, oh shoot. Nice first cast, the bait is tangled. Okay, let's go. The real first cast. Okay. One. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, he's going down. There's a smallmouth. He jumped. Ah, shoot. It came off. Look how the bait was. It was tangled. But I saw it. It was a pretty good one. They were cruising the line home. So. Wow! Ma! Look at that! Nice big smallmouth on a bait. Crankbait. Nice one. Yeah, I'm over here untangling a stupid knot in my line and I just hear Eric's drag start going. Yeah. It's a nice one, eh? So, Eric's gonna release his fish now. There it goes, nice one. Yay, I just caught a smallmouth, the first one for me. Okay. So there he is. Goodbye. Well, this concludes our upstate New York river fishing. So you can see, look at this view. Beautiful. Over the past 3 days, we caught a whole ton of fish. Mainly smallmouth, we got rock bass, even a trout. And we also got a lot of little fish in the river behind our house. So overall, this was a really fun trip. So hope you enjoyed watching this video too. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment on this video too. So thanks for watching.